Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. This is Johnny. Today, I'm going to bring you a fantastic software. It's free. It's used as a web application firewall. We call it WAF firewall. The name is Daemon. So basically, this is a web firewall that can intercept requests and filter out malicious parameters. It claims it can work with PHP, Perl, Python. Also, it can detect following threat attacks from internet. So looks great. So we're gonna test it out. This video is gonna focus on installation. I'm gonna show you how to install it on CentOS 7. I have started that virtual machine from Microsoft Azure. You don't have to have a very high-end virtual machine. This is just a basic one, 1 gig RAM, 1 virtual CPU. So let's start it. We logged in our virtual machine remotely, and of course, this is a new installation. You always want to start with privilege mode. Login with your current password and using username NetSec. So we are in root mode now. Don't forget to update your system. Daemon is based on Docker technologies, so we're gonna have to install Docker and the Docker Composer, both components first after the update, and also for installation we need to install Git to get some documents on the configuration files from Git website. So those three components you have to install after you finish the updating. That include docce, Docker Compose, and Git. Okay, it's finished updating. We want to VM upgrade. There's no package marked for update. Now we can start to install Docker. It's pretty simple, just issue yum install Docker, then you will get there. Next step is install Docker Compose. It won't be that straightforward. There are a couple of more commands need to run to get the Docker Compose installed. So we're gonna use some curl to download the package and make it executable. Then we can check Docker Compose version. We need to create a symbolic link to execute Docker Compose. Now we should be able to run it. When I copy, there's some characters not reflecting the real numbers. So yeah, great. So we got Docker Compose 1.24 installed. So that's mistakes here when I copy the command over. And third component we need to install is Git. Great. All component has been installed. All pre-requirement for installation of Daemon has been met. So now we're gonna do installation for Daemon. First thing we need to git clone the package from GitHub website. Then we're gonna using, you can see we have shadow CTL, this executable files script here. So basically they are using Docker Compose to launch Docker Compose.yml file. We can take a look at those files. So they're gonna launch 3 Docker, 1 for DB, 1 for web, 1 for application shadow D. Okay, let's start it. We didn't start our Docker yet. We got the Docker installed, but we didn't start the Docker service. So that's why we got that error message there. Let's try it again. So as you can see, we are pouring all Docker images right now. So as you can see from here, there are 3 Docker working. The port the first one, DB one, and second one is Shadow UI, which is web. Now they are working on third one, application Shadow D. So we're gonna wait all those 3 containers being created. So container has been created. We can take a look file again. As you can see from the YML file, Docker Compose file, so they're mapping 8080 outside to 80 here. So we're gonna using port 8080 to access this web UI from outside. Before that, we're gonna create a user for our web plugin. We're gonna create a user called NetSec, and then we're gonna generate our password for this user. So we already opened the port 8080. Now we're gonna give it a quick access. Here is our login. Here's web GUI interface. As you can see, there's nothing here. And nothing shows up. User settings, all those things. So what the next step is, you're gonna create in the profiles. You're gonna add in a profile name and add in a security key, which you're gonna use as a connector. Use it in a connector. And other than that, you can put the basic information here. So that's pretty much everything for today. How to install this Shadow Daemon on your Linux CentOS. Thank you for watching.